Hello everybody! Today we are going to make our own crushed glass, and we will do it with your dollar store bags of glass beads or filler, whatever you want to call it. So I've heated them up, put them on my little fryer. Not all of them are flat down, but they are hot. They've been on here for quite a little while now. And then I'll, in the sink, ice water. Very, very, very cold ice water. And then you'll just dump the hot glass beads into the water and they shatter. Now this one, maybe this one's shattered. I don't think so. Probably not. But they're all, they might. Now I would do it all in one, but because I have only one hand, these go over here and they shatter. If you can see in there, you'll see they're shattered. You can see they're all lumpy glass. The minute they go in there, they shatter. Maybe I could even show you one on here. I might. See? And there you go. It's shattered. Pretty cool. I have some pink ones on there now. And I am going to scoop these out and put them in a box. Sorry. Go fast. Fast, fast, fast. And get them out. One more. Woo! Damn, that's cold. And there they are. Make sure that they all are. Oh, you know what? Oh, yeah. I think that, yeah, that's shattered. Sometimes hard to tell, but it is definitely shattered. Yep, shattered. Shattered. Good. Oh, yep, shattered. Okay, so I came up with a better idea, and I put a colander in the water. So the ice is down there, because when I try to get them out, I'm not freezing my hand off. See if these are ready or not. But I think the red one is going to be beautiful. These blue are going to be really pretty too. And those are the same as those. And those. I have a lot of them. To do mine, I use a deep plastic bin. I only use a few at a time, and I take a mallet and I go straight down from up above it. If I use a hammer, it seems to just splash everywhere. You have to do it on cement because there's no resistance if you use a table. Please wear safety glasses because there are some chips that fly out, but really very few. So I don't cover them with anything. A lot of people say to use a dish towel or a rag or something over them, but I do not. So just put a few rocks at a time in the tote. Then you go straight up above it and you go down with it. You don't have to press too hard, and you hit it once or twice. It all depends on what size pieces you want. You will destroy the tote, so make sure you're ready to throw it out when you're done. The clear one won't break because it was never cooked.